It begins in the soil, thick, sweet, and waiting. Harvested by hand, bound for transformation. Every stalk carries weight. Every load, a promise. Measured, logged, ready for the grind. From field to floor, the journey accelerates. Washed clean, prepared for extraction. Impurities removed. Only purity moves forward. Human eyes. Mechanical power. One system. Pressure extracts truth. Juice is life. Waste becomes fuel. Nothing is lost. A city of steel, breathing, processing, delivering. Safety first, precision second. Order in motion, control in every step. Chemistry meets industry. Balance is everything. Impurities rise, purity settles. Filtered to clarity, ready for concentration. Water removed, essence concentrated. Seeded with precision, guided to grow. Patience under pressure. Crystals take shape. Heavy with sugar. Ready for separation. Force divides. Purity remains. Nothing wasted, every drop reclaimed. Washed clean. Gleaming white. Moisture removed, stability achieved. Cooled to perfection, ready for precision. Sorted by size. Calibrated for consistency. Measured exactly, batched flawlessly. Sealed securely, labeled accurately. Stacked precisely. Secured automatically. Wrapped tight, ready for storage. Stored systematically, tracked digitally.
Verified instantly. Logged perfectly.
Aligned precisely, prepared for transit. Loaded securely, bound globally. Documented completely, tracked continuously. On the move, connected always. Moving steadily, tracked precisely. Continue on I-95 north for 20 miles. ETA recalculated, on schedule.
Verified thoroughly. Cleared completely.
Set to sea, bound worldwide. Tested rigorously, certified pure. Analyzed completely, approved fully. Sealed seal officially, ready for market. Stacked efficiently, monitored continuously. Presented flawlessly, ready globally. Documented completely, cleared fully. Cargo vessel to port control, loading complete, requesting departure clearance. Port control to cargo vessel, departure clearance granted, proceed immediately. Tracked globally, delivered reliably.